food lovers, I'm Tommy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna make Bucatini Amatriciana. Bucatini are pasta shapes. They are almost like spaghetti, but with a hole running through the center. Amatriciana is a perfect Italian pasta sauce, which is actually from Amatricia, Lazio. It's made with guanciale, which is pork cheek, but if you can't find guanciale, you can use pancheta as same. White wine, pecorino cheese, and tomato sauce. That's it. Okay, let's get started. First put a pan on the gas on a medium-low heat. Then put water in a bowl and place it on a high temperature until it boils. Now let's measure 40 grams of pancetta. Okay, this should be enough. Remove the skin and cut it into strips. Now grease the pan with the skin and leave it inside. Then throw the pancetta in and cook it for about 5 minutes. Don't put oil in the pan because the pancetta is full with fat, which will melt. Now measure 125 grams of bucatini. Put them in a boiling water, which I already salted. For 1 liter of water, add 10 grams of salt. Cook the pasta al dente. Actually cook them 3 minutes less than the instructions of the package, because the last 3 minutes will be cooked in the sauce. At this stage, add a nice splash of white wine in the pan and wait for the alcohol to evaporate. Now in a bowl, measure 200 grams of tomato sauce and add it directly to the pan. Stir it and bring it to a boil. Add a little bit salt and pepper. Don't add too much salt because pancetta is already salty and the pasta water is already salty. Okay, the pasta is ready. Let it transfer to the sauce and stir it well. Always use pasta water because it is full of starch and will help the pasta to combine better with the sauce. Now grate a nice amount of pecorino cheese and mix everything together. Okay, it's done. So guys, this is the perfect Bucatini Amatriciana. If you'd like to see me how to make more good recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. It's easy and it's free. And don't forget, good food is good mood. Look at this beauty.